With me right now is Gigi.
Yes.
Ganda ng pangalan mo ha, Gigi ha. What is your family name, Gigi?
Florentino.
Florentino. You know, you seem to be so happy. Why? Why are you so happy?
Finally, I've experienced diving.
Ganun ba?
Ngayon
Bakit? Ngayon ka lang nakasubok mag-diving? Ilan taon ka na ba?
May
Oh, siyempre. Ilan na?
35.
No, that's the problem, you know. Itong babaeng to, 35 nga lang naka-experience. Kaya kayo, hanggang ngayon, you're watching a show dedicated to scuba diving, and yet, 60 na kayo, 70 na, hindi pa rin kayo nag-dive. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, the Philippines is blessed with a lot of corals. No? Because we are a tropical climate, di ba? Pag maraming corals, naturally, babahay ng isda. Ang isda kasi, bumabahay yan sa mga corals, hindi sa sand. Kaya pag nasa Boracay ka, maganda yung sand, wala kang corals. You cannot have everything in this world, di ba? That's why Anilao, wala siyang mga beach, puro siyang mga bato. Kasi yung mga bato na yan, yun yung mga tuwing bagyo, ibinasag ng mga bagyo, dinala sa beach. Okay? Kasi, sabi nga nung iba, ayoko sa Anilao kasi gusto ko yung white sand. In that case, you go to Boracay. No? Para pwede ka humiga sa mga magagandang beaches. Dito, you don't need to do that because ang lifestyle ng isang diver, eat, sleep, and dive. Okay? After you dive, matutulog ka. Diba? Hahanap ka ng magandang hammock. Right? So, how do you feel that you're now beginning to learn how to dive?
It's a different experience. Happy.
Oo, diba?
Siyempre excited.
Oo, parang ibang mundo, diba? Kasi, alam mo, pinagbibigyan lang tayo ng mga isda. Kasi hindi naman tayo isda eh. Buti nga, na-invento yung scuba diving eh. Ang nag-invento niyan, yung aking idolo sa diving, si Mr. Jacques Cousteau. Do you know who Jacques Cousteau is? Oh my God, you don't know Jacques Cousteau?
No.
Jacques Cousteau, if you research his name on the internet, he's the father of scuba diving. And he was the one who put up CMAS. Kaya naman, I made sure, CMAS ka, hindi ka PADI. Kasi si Jacques Cousteau, siya yung founder. And after that, maraming mga nainggit, gumaya kay Jacques Cousteau. That's the history. Okay? So you have to be proud that you are a CMAS diver. Okay? So what else do you want to add? Wala na? You won't tell me that you will not even invite your friends to become a CMAS diver like you?
Well, I plan to invite them kasi para may kasama.
Yan. O sige.
Kasi dapat daw madami kayo.
Sige. So yung Facebook ha, ayusin mo na. Yung mga pictures mo, papadala ko, papakita ko yung mga okay side mo sa Facebook. Congratulations and I'll have to see you again next time ha. Okay.